Tell me why I'm on this elevator, and they ain't tell me which like floor to go on. That like I'm just up here. Safe to say that was not the right floor. We going to try three. We gonna try three. First day complete. Well, not all the way. You know, we got a little housing meeting. You know what I'm saying? Peep the ID. I can't show y'all like my information, but peep the ID, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have to like cover up some of it. Let me get. You know what I'm saying? Finished the first day of class. You know what I mean? It was kind of cool. You know what I mean? Just meeting new people. We shared some music. You know what I'm saying? I shared FM 324. They actually liked it. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't surprised. It sounds kind of cocky. I wasn't necessarily surprised. It was just like, okay, cool. You know what I'm saying? I chose to share that song because most of the people there were really in tune, like, or just playing an instrument. So I figured that they appreciate the instruments that I included in that song more than some people, you know. So, you know, I'm still getting used to this door. Man, you know what I'm saying? We back in. Hold on. I'm not gonna lie, this view is crazy, bro. Look, rooftop, you dig? You know what I'm saying? We in Boston right now. You know what I mean? We ain't really dropped the low yet. You know what I'm saying? People know we at the Berklee, but they don't know what Berklee is. You know what I'm saying? I got the dorm all to myself. I ain't. You know what I'm saying? Did everything I need to do. We was at the dorm all to myself. And it's pretty small. You know, it feel like kind of like a prison cell, but you know what I'm saying? It's all good. We here right. I'm gonna chill until I gotta go to this meeting. But you know, I was just tapping in with y'all. You feel me? Give y'all the view one more time. Now we out, man. Day two, you feel me? I just woke up, so don't mind my voice, but I'm finna write for a little bit, and then we got class at 9 o'clock, so let's get it. On the elevator right now, you know what I'm saying? Going up, because that's the only way we can go. You know me, I'm just chilling in my room, you know, looking down at, you know what I'm saying, the Boston Orchestra Theater, you know what I'm saying? I got a perfect view, you feel me? I got a view of everything, you know what I'm saying? Whole city back there. You do what I'm saying? Sky look like cotton candy, but you know what I'm saying? I'm just in my room, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can pull up if y'all want to. You know what I mean? It might be a long drive. Embracing who you are, and I guess as a plant, you don't necessarily get a choice. Like your seed is planted, you know, you there, you know what I mean? So this is just really, I don't know, inspiring. Smash. All right, so I just finished the open mic. You know what I'm saying? I'm feeling motivated. I had a couple people say that, you know, the track like resonated with them, and you know, that's really cool because that's like my whole goal in making music is to make stuff that resonates with people. You know what I'm saying? People can feel as opposed to just listening to the beat. So that was really cool. Um, Tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna really share with y'all like what I've really been doing here. So stay tuned. I'm out. That was not a peace sign, but peace. All right, I can't lie to y'all. I forgot to do an outro. Excuse my voice in this next part. Your boy is feeling a little under the weather, but this is my outro since I didn't do it while I was in Boston. All right, what's good? I'm back in the H now. You know what I mean? I forgot to do a formal outro, so right now I'm editing the video. I know every YouTuber you don't watch done said that, but like no lie, I really forgot. So now I'm doing the outro. It was a great experience, very eye-opening and insightful. I worked with a lot of different people on music that I wouldn't normally like write myself or sing myself, and I actually, you know what I'm saying, challenge myself, and I feel like that helped me grow. So I'm happy to share with y'all new things that I picked up and the way that I've learned to utilize the tools they gave me. So be on the lookout for new stuff on the way. Shout out to everybody that was there that I did work with, from teachers. Shout out to all the faculty that made sure we had everything we needed. And yeah, your boy signing out, you know what I'm saying? Excuse my voice, you know what I'm saying? I'm feeling a little under the weather. But yeah, I'm out. Peace.